Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are going to discuss what should be your plan for last 100 days for IIM Bangalore UG exam, especially for VRC. Now before moving on to that, we have launched IP Mat Believers 4.0. This is going to be our fourth batch and it's a comprehensive program. This will be applicable for IP Mat Indore, Rohtak, JIPMAT, Kozhikode, Bangalore BBA and BSc also. Now there are some amazing features in this batch. Obviously, you're going to get live classes, in-depth live classes. You'll have books also. You'll have 250 plus sectionals and topic tests with video solutions. You'll have mocks with video solutions, which is our biggest USP. You will have your GKPI prep included in this. Plus, there are some special features also, like you will have, Rodha after class, which is our one-on-one mentorship program. Okay. This mentorship program has gained immense popularity with our students. You're going to have RDPs, that is Rodha daily practice for RCs, for VA section, for grammar, for vocab also. You're going to have regular PTMs, then you're going to have foundation classes also for non-math students. It is very important to gain a little bit of base before moving on to advanced topics. So you will have foundational classes for QA also, plus you are going to have foundational classes for VRC also, correct? And obviously, you're going to get books also. You're going to get worksheets after every class, correct? So after every class, you will have homework, you will have worksheets. Now we do have special discounts for droppers and we do have special discount for Rodha repeaters also. Please make sure you go to our website or call on the phone numbers to avail for the discounts. Now, let's see what is confirmed by IMB that it is going to be on 15th of November, right? 135 minutes की एग्जाम है. There will be 60 MCQs. -1 + 3 is the marking scheme. So we have to focus on accuracy and we have to keep a balance of our attempts, right? 3 sections, VRC is going to have 50 questions, correct? QADIK 30 है, LRK 15 है and VRC has 15 questions. Now I know the count of VRC is small, but it can contribute a lion's share in your score also. So VRC cannot be ignored and you have 100 days to plan your VRC. So please make sure don't let any of these days slide away. Let us see what skills do we require. First is very obvious, reading comprehension. Second is VA. It can include some para jumbles also because, right? Then obviously it is vocabulary in context, correct? Not barely synonym antonyms. And you're going to have grammar. Grammar is going to be application based. So our entire prep has to focus on these 4 parts of VRC. Okay. Now, days wise देख लेंगे. Days 100 to 70, like starting from today, you have to build your basics. You have to start reading. You have to do concepts of grammar. You're going to have vocabulary recalls, correct? आपको reading में आपका focus build करना पड़ेगा, plus आपका stamina भी build करना पड़ेगा, प्लस आपकी स्पीड भी बिल्ड करनी पड़ेगी. सो यू आर गोइंग टू नीड फोकस, यू आर गोइंग टू नीड स्टैमिना, यू आर गोइंग टू नीड स्पीड for reading. Grammar, obviously you should be aware of the concepts, correct? And vocabulary, you need recalls plus you need regular revision. This is very important. I always tell this, for vocab it is very important that you revise the words at least twice a week, correct? So basically you need to build the basics in these 30 days, that is 1 month. After that, what you can do is you can move to mixed VA and RC practice. You're going to solve questions every day because solving questions, see, I know there are only 15 questions, but you need to build your stamina for much more number of questions than only 15 because Indore is going to have 45 questions. So ultimately, this exam can serve as a mini IP Mat Indore for you. करेक्ट. सो अगर आपको ये मिनी एग्जाम के जैसे ट्रीट करना है तो आपको स्टैमिना भी उसी हिसाब से बिल्ड करना पड़ेगा, करेक्ट. Then days 40 to 21, or you can say 30 to 21, can be for timed practice and error analysis. You need to maintain a log book for that. Correct? Last 20 days, you need to adapt to official mock and revise your mistakes. So basically, this time should be kept for mocks plus analysis. This is the most important part of your prep. मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, अगर आप 4 मॉक्स की जगह पे आप 2 ही दोगे तो भी चलेगा, बट प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट यू डू एनालाइज दोस 2 मॉक्स वेरी सीरियसली. करेक्ट? नाउ pick one slot and repeat it. You just need to lather, rinse, repeat. That's it. So minimum is 60 minutes. Serious prep on the days you do have time, है ना? You do have time. Correct? Okay. Full routine is 120 minutes. This you can do on weekends. Correct? Rule: review the mistakes daily, not weekly. This is the most important thing. Because अगर आप daily review करोगे ना तो आप daily improve भी करोगे. Isn't it? You need to improve on a daily basis. आप हफ्ते भर सेम ही गलती कर रहे हो, फिर संडे को पता चल रहा है कि I have been doing the same mistake for the last 6 days. It's not worth it, no. Entire 6 days of practice is wasted then. So just make sure that you review your mistakes daily, not weekly. Now, for school days or for low energy days, what you can do is 20 minutes, 1 RC passage plus paragraph map plus analysis of that RC. Correct? Also, you can solve, wrong questions plus unanswered questions again, because this is going to exactly give you an idea. Did your selection, go wrong or not? Then 15 minutes for grammar. 1 grammar rule, 1 grammar topic plus 8 to 10, 8 to 10 quick questions. Again, plus analysis. See where did you go wrong? Did you apply the rule wrong or did you not understand the rule clearly? Correct? 15 minutes, 10 words with usage, not rote meanings. No mugging up, okay? No mugging up. Mugging up का कोई फायदा ही नहीं है. No mugging up. ठीक है? 10 minutes for error log. 1 reason for every mistake. Just spend 10 minutes. This plus this plus this. ये combine होला के आपको बस 10 मिनट लगने वाले हैं. Not more than that. This is the minimum non-negotiable routine for IIM Bangalore. Now on days that you do have time, है ना, especially if I can say on weekends, you can stretch it to 2 hours. Correct? 1.5 hour या फिर 2 hours. Correct? So 30 minutes आप RC plus option elimination करो, plus you can solve 1 RC for extra practice. आप थोड़ा सा एक और RC ज्यादा कर लो एक्स्ट्रा प्रैक्टिस के लिए, है ना? आपका फोकस बिल्ड होगा, आपका स्टैमिना बिल्ड होगा. 20 minutes VA sentence logic practice plus some para jumbles also you can solve. Correct? 20 minutes for grammar and vocab revision plus obviously analysis also. Okay? And then review. Obviously, why wrong options look tempting? Elimination methods. Correct? Elimination methods. You need to focus on them also. Correct? So this can be a little bit of balanced one, weekends वाला. Plus, आपको जब ज़्यादा time मिल रहा है during your holidays, like you will have Dashera holidays, you will have Navratri holidays, you will have Diwali holidays. So टाइम है आपको. करेक्ट? सो उस टाइम पे जब आपको ज्यादा टाइम मिल सकता है, व्हेन यू कैन गिव 2 hours, 2.5 hours, तो टाइम्ड VRC प्रैक्टिस, you can go for 15 questions just like your paper. आप sort of sectional के जैसे कर सकते हो इसको, है ना? आप sort of sectional के जैसे कर सकते हो. Detailed RC review, with elimination. करेक्ट? विथ एलिमिनेशन करो इसको. ग्रामर रूल्स की रिविजन करो, प्लस आप उसको एप्लीकेशन भी करो. करेक्ट? वो कैप प्लस कॉलोकेशंस, दिस रिविजन इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये रिविजन. आप प्लस इसको रिकॉल भी करो. आप एक और एक्स्ट्रा एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हो, दैट इज यू कैन बिल्ड सेंटेंसेस ऑल्सो, है ना? एरर लॉक करो और रीटेस्ट की लिस्ट बनाओ. व्हाट आर द एरियाज टू बी रीफोकस्ड, है ना? रीफोकस मुझे कौन से एरियाज पे करना है. ठीक है? अब देखो, वन सिंपल प्लान फॉर 7 days, ये तो हो गया डेली प्लान, है ना। आपको सिंपल प्लान मंडे टू फ्राइडे आप क्या करो, सैटरडे संडे आप क्या करो। तो सैटरडे मंडे टू फ्राइडे आप एक आरसी, एक ग्रामर वोकैब ड्रिल डेली करो। दिस इज गोइंग टू रिक्वायर 40 to 45 मिनट्स। अगर आपके पास है तो आप 60 मिनट्स तक भी जा सकते हो। सैटरडे को आपको टाइम्ड प्रैक्टिस करनी है। ट्राई टू गिव सेक्शनल्स, ओके। अब संडे को यार न्यू टॉपिक नहीं करना है कुछ भी, बस रिवाइज करो, एरर लॉग देखो, दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट, और वीक एरियाज पे फोकस करो, करेक्ट। सो यार हमें रैंडम प्रेप नहीं करना है ना। दिस इज द रूटीन दैट यू कैन फॉलो, एंड आई कैन गारंटी यू, अगर आप ये रूटीन एग्जाम के दिन तक फॉलो कर रहे हो, यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट वेरी गुड रिजल्ट्स, ओके। सो एक चीज याद रखनी है, रैंडम प्रेप बिल्कुल नहीं करनी है, बहुत ही फोकस्ड प्रेप है। मैंने पूरा प्लान आपको दे दिया है, करेक्ट। Also, I want to highlight this thing that, you know, we are going to release mocks, okay, for IIMB UG program. हमारा एक mocks का पैकेज आने वाला है। अगर आपको, you know, if you are interested, you can buy the mocks package. Our mocks are known to be highly relevant with the exact difficulty level. Plus, you will have video solutions. That is the one best thing about the program and the package. So अगर आपको mocks का पैकेज चाहिए तो we are soon going to release a mocks package also. आप वो mocks का पैकेज खरीद सकते हो. It is going to be at a very affordable price. Okay? Okay guys. And अब यार ये सोचो, ये तो हो गया प्रैक्टिस वाला चीज, करेक्ट। अब आपके जो मिस्टेक्स हो रहे हैं उसको क्या करना है, हाउ विल यू डील विद दोज मिस्टेक्स। तो यार एग्जैक्ट मिस्टेक टाइप लिखो कि आपको टाइम का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, आपको कॉन्सेप्ट का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, या फिर यू आर जस्ट बीइंग लेजी, है ना। राइट वाई यू सिलेक्टेड द रॉन्ग ऑप्शन, आपकी रीजनिंग क्या थी, वॉट वॉज योर रीजनिंग, करेक्ट। ये भी होना जरूरी है। करेक्ट रूल क्या है, वॉट इज द करेक्ट रूल दैट यू मिस्ड, है ना, जो करेक्ट रूल आपने मिस कर दिया है, करेक्ट। और वही चीज ना आप रीटेस्ट करो यार 3 दिन बाद। ये जो टॉपिक्स है, ये जो टॉपिक्स होंगे आपके, यू नीड टू रीटेस्ट दोज टॉपिक्स आफ्टर 3 or 4 days। ये करना बहुत जरूरी है, तभी तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि आपकी जो गलती हो रही है क्या वो सुधर गई है या नहीं सुधर गई है, राइट ना। Maximize your score by protecting accuracy. This is very important. Attempt only when the logic is clear means you are very sure about the answer. You need to eliminate. You can't be searching for the right answer. Do not guess. Guesswork नहीं करना है. No. कि attempts बढ़ाने के लिए आप guesswork कर रहे हो. No use. आपका जो score है वो dip होगा इससे. ठीक है? And you know, review why each wrong option was tempting. Why did you fall into the trap? उन्होंने trap set करा, right? Why did you walk into the trap? Because every wrong option is going to cost you 1 mark. You need to remember this. Got it? This is it guys. I will again repeat, हमारा mocks का package release होने वाला है. For details, you can visit the website or you can stay tuned. We are going to inform you about the mocks package. This is it. Thank you.